Hey everybody, this is Grant. Oh my goodness, what a week it has been. I mean, it's like riding a pogo stick, bouncing up. So a lot up and down, but the overall market direction was up. Okay, here we are with our initial start. We're on the SPY. Here's Monday right here. Okay, it went up, but then actually closed lower. Then it bounces up on Tuesday, down on Wednesday, up on Thursday, and can you guess what Friday did? Yeah, it went down. All right, so this week, with all of this going on, we have to make sure that we are picking the best opportunities because we could get whipsawed in this type of erratic behavior. Certainly not the steady climb, right, or even the steady fall. So we are going to go over the key things about finding an index and the index that has the best behavior and then looking for the stocks in there. So looking forward to being on there with you. Come in and take a look at the stock report.